The whole time it wasn't recording. Yo. Let's do it again. Yeah, I just got off the call of the webinar. That was a cool webinar. We got some good psychology there, and we got to discover like two of the other traders' strategies and how they're looking at price.
Bridging that thing say 88 or
well, I don't know that.
0.05 times $10,000 is me trading with $500 per trade. Bridging, listen to me. I personally, a 1 to 2 is disgustingly easy, and based on how we trade and me personally, my system, I can easily clear off a 1 to 4, 1 to 5 sometimes. You know, how long you been trading, bro?
2 years, bro. But I've been over risking for like the past 2 years, bro. I swear to you,
start.
yeah.
Full margin. Let's go. No risk, no fair.
This is my current desk setup. Nothing too crazy. Standing desk, and just 1, 2 lights. Yeah, man. So, damn, I have to record this whole thing again. Anyways, I kind of have a better way on how we're gonna say it now. Then, yeah, man. Just been on this trading journey here for more than about 6 years now, and I've only finally now realized what I should have been doing the entire time, and that is, you know, not trading with small capital. Do not trade with small capital. If you can help that, try not to trade with small capital. Why I say that is because of the bad habits that it induces, like over leveraging or the impatience, because now you feel like you have to make it fast, right? So you start to do stupid things with your small capital, and then from having those bad habits develop over time, it'll prolong your ability to become profitable way faster, right? So that's like the biggest tip that I can give you. Don't trade with a small capital, because that literally will damage your psychology over time and your approach, how you deal with money and trading and stuff like that. My biggest problem was over leveraging, impatience, and greed. And all of those things line up perfectly, like I'm saying now, with small capital. You can only be greedy because you want more, because you don't have a lot. You can only be impatient because you want to get it now. And you can only be, you can only over leverage if you don't have enough. So trading with larger capital, which is why you can use a prop firm to do that. But the only problems with that sometimes is that they have very steep rules, and like a lot of people, it's aligned for you not to pass it. And if you're already not disciplined, then you can just go in there and do stupidness anyways, you know? So you kind of need to, like what I'm doing right now, building my personal account first, building the discipline, building all those necessary habits, the good habits that will provide me with the opportunity to do the best that I can when I do decide to go back to the prop firm route, right? But either way, based on that, the trajectory of what I'm doing right now, I wouldn't even need it. But then I can handle more and do way more, you know, talking about scaling. You have to scale eventually, right? So, yeah, but that's the biggest tip I can give for you today. And otherwise from that, it is now, what? It is the 16th of November, 2025. Big up yourself. I'm from the Cayman Islands. If you don't know who I am, my name is Tevin. Big up. Yeah, but Christmas right around the corner. Hopefully next month and the remainder of this month are nice, profitable months as well. And we get to scale properly and just continue with our system, doing what we're doing, and just remain profitable, man. It's been a long time coming. I documenting stuff right now so that my kids can see this. You can see where we came from, guys. You see, nobody never really gave us, our family, yes, they were all right, well off, but we never got that silver spoon type of thing, you know what I mean? We had to get it from the work that we put in overall, from business, from personal stuff, all kinds of different things. I had to build my capital up from scratch, you know? And then I got into like the videos later on to come. You're gonna see when we reach a certain point, then you're gonna be like, oh, I can look back and see a video of Tev when he wasn't there yet, but finally got there. Yeah, man. And I feel like, you know, it's very necessary for you to sit down and just document these things, man, because then you get to show people where you're actually coming from, right? I have stuff on my channel right now that's literally you can see when I just began it, when I was just teaching the stuff, and getting my foot cemented in the foundation of what I'm doing, which currently developed into the system Primora right now, right? And I have a WhatsApp group if you want to join that. The link can be in the description. Very good group because we have different people doing different things, and it's not like, oh, we have to trade one strategy. Everybody has a different outlook on price and on things that's going on in the market, and it's just for you to choose a style that you like or introduce your style as well. And we all as a network, as a team, will grow and thrive, whether you in the Cayman Islands or not. This is another good place to be if you're a trader. Right? And plus I came onion, so all the better. Yeah. But yeah, man, the Cayman Islands is a really nice place to be if you've never been here before. We're based in the Caribbean, close enough to Jamaica, in between Jamaica and Cuba. We're made up of 3 islands, and this, where I live right now, is the biggest island, Grand Cayman. Have a lot of stuff you can do here if you're looking for a quieter life, if you're looking for exotic beaches and just beauty overall, a safe space for you to be. And yeah, this is where a lot of money is. I'm pretty sure you already know that. But anyways, big up on yourself. I'm glad that you stuck around and joined and watched this. And again, this is the space. Let's get it.